So I'm Nikhil Deshpande. I'm the Chief Digital Officer for the state of Georgia, and I head the digital services team. My team works with state agencies and elected officials, and we host all of their sites on a Drupal platform. We have been using Drupal 7 since 2011. We have a digital platform that hosts about 110 websites as of this day, making sure the content is well served from an agency perspective to our citizens, which is Georgia's population is about 10.5 million. So we have a pretty decent traffic hitting this platform in all of the 110 websites. So the decision to move to Drupal 8 was not that easy because Drupal 8 was so different from 7. And also when we invest in a large project, we have to show, the rationale behind it. But as we started learning more about Drupal 8, it really met the overall digital strategy and the requirements that we had set for the state, which is, we already have a federated model with Georgia Gov bubbling up content from agency websites. For example, JSON API, that service we basically can now connect websites and share content across each other. Accessibility, for example, for us is non-negotiable as government. Like we have to make sure we comply to a certain level of accessibility. So having known that Drupal 8 in its core itself had this accessibility enhancements was a great knowledge to have, and also user experience in general. Like I saw that it was mobile first in its basic build, which is great because like our mobile traffic has been like skyrocketing for the last few years anyways, and also seeing that the responsiveness of Drupal 8 also seeped into the back end editorial experience as well, because we have editors updating content using several devices. I think overall, like just the fact that the core was better inclusive of modules and the dependency on contrib, again, which is great. I love contrib modules, but that was also really good that it was aware, well-rounded solution for us to begin with. And last but not the least, the community. The community is growing. We have more and more partners and individual contributors. I think the community really it was the last piece where the health of it made us decide to move to Drupal 8. Yeah, as far as contributing back is concerned, I mean the whole idea for us to implement open source was the whole contribution aspect of the community comes together and makes this a better product. So I think it is our responsibility to make sure if we do something, it needs to go back to the community. So we have done that with Drupal 7, but as we were working on even Drupal 8, we only selected partners, that have done a significant role and job of contributing back. And that was one of our selection criteria, to be honest with you. But so far we have about 36 patches contributed back. I want to say we are working on making sure that we contribute some of the updates to the media module. And I think we have blacklist contributed back so far. And again, as we go and work more on our platform, we will be contributing back. But I'm really happy that we have done that so far. And the fact that everything that we are building from a mindset of contributing it back to the community.